guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be, you see glue in the background. Today we're going to be making a gigantic, well, probably not too big, but we're going to try to attempt to make a giant slime. It's going to be fluffy slime, because I love fluffy slime. So what you'll need is 2 bottles of glue. Elmer's glue is a good choice. Food coloring of your choice. It doesn't really matter what color you pick. Shaving cream, 2 bottles of shaving cream, borax and water mixture, something to start with, and borax just in case. I have borax in this water bottle. So if you need some more borax, just in case. So that's why we grabbed that. So we're just going to put everything back in here. Oh, and a giant bowl. I have a giant bowl. So we're going to be starting. Really big bowl. Somebody is helping, but you'll never know who it is. Okay, so first you want to add your bottles of glue. Just gotta add all of it. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a lot of glue. For a lot of Ave slime. Oh my gosh. I need to get all of it out. That's a lot. Is that enough? Is that good? Yeah. There's still a little bit more. Okay, that should be enough for that bottle. Oh my gosh. Oh, there you go. And then you got your other glue. Oh my gosh, this is a lot of glue. Okay, so this is going to be really cool because I've never made giant slime before. Yeah, so you guys should maybe try to make giant slime. You can follow along with this recipe because it's not my recipe, but yeah, it's just a fluffy slime recipe. Anyway, so now you're gonna add your food coloring. So I was about to add this. Since there's a lot of glue, we're gonna add quite a bit. Okay. Put the cap back on there. We're gonna take our mixer and mix in. Looks blue almost. You gotta make sure you get most of your glue. You gotta get like all of your glue, all the white glue, and turn it to your color. This is going to be really good because I love slime. I never knew I was gonna be the slime kind of person. Okay, but next thing you know, yeah. You think that's good? That's a nice color. I think we just gotta add a little bit more because there's still some white spots in there. Ah, that's fine. No, stop. That should be enough. So, sorry, I had to pause for a second. Just keep mixing. Okay, so basically we got our stuff down. It's gonna be the really really messy part is when I gotta get hands. I have gloves, but I'm mean, we already started, so there's no going back now. So that looks like it's going to be good. Just get that down there. Now what you want to add next is the stuff that makes it fluffy, your shaving cream. Now you're going to have to add a lot. Oh my gosh, this is a lot. Look, look how much there is. You think that's enough? I think that's good. Because that is a lot. Now you're going to want to start mixing this all up. A lot. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Might have to add a little bit more food coloring to this, don't you think? It's turning like a kind of semi-light green. All the green is starting to come to it now. Ah! Camera in my face. Look at this. Look how big it is. There's a lot in there too. There's a lot more than I expected there was going to be, especially just for 2 bottles of glue. But there's enough. I think we need to add a little bit more food coloring in there because it kind of dulled out on its color, which is completely normal, by the way. Okay, we got this open. Now I'm the one filming for a minute, just for a minute.
Help our Igor helps you.
Now this is actually working. This is actually what it's supposed to do. This happens in everyday slime. We just added some more food coloring in it, which is making it a bit green again. That is a lot. Oh my gosh. You can definitely tell the glue is kicking in. We're adding more food coloring. I mean, shaving cream. Because you need a lot of shaving cream. And plus, guys, if there isn't enough glue, we still always have 2 more bottles of glue, so it's fine. Now I want to stir for a minute. There you go. Okay, so we're going to add a lot more food coloring because, I mean, it's green, but it needs to be really green. Green, 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 and more green. Because green's cool. There we go. That is what you call some major. It's mostly apparently it's mostly the shaving cream that helps because that's what makes it fluffy slime.
What kind of slime do you guys prefer, fluffy or not?
So I want you guys to tell me in the comment section below what is your guys' favorite slime, and also a bonus question: what do you guys prefer, fluffy or non-fluffy slime? So tell me that in the comment section below if you want to. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, by the way. We're going to do a little bit more mixing. We want to make sure all of that white is gone. Well, not all of it, just most of it. I think that's good, right? I think that's good. So you think that's good? Yes. Okay, so now we're going to have to stir our borax mixture. Stir it up. gosh, it looks like frozen or something. Now pour that in there. Oh, it's starting to do its thing, guys. Oh, it's definitely starting to become slime. We're going to have to pour a little bit more in there. I'm actually going to get some gloves on. But we're going to... We're going to have to pour a little bit more in there. Yeah. Maybe just pour a lot of it. Oh my gosh. It's doing its thing. Now that is a lot of slime. We're about to pour some more borax solution. Well, that's what I'm going to call it. Just borax and water mixed together. Because you're going to have to put a lot in here because it's slime now. It's basically just turned into slime. Now, and for the messy. Now it's time for the really messy part. Kneading it together. Oh my gosh. So all fluffy slime is like this. Look at that! Oh my gosh! How and where are we going to put this? We're going to have to get like a gigantic plastic bowl with a lid. Oh my gosh. Okay, I can't get that off. Oh my. Look at this, guys. That is a lot. Now, since it is huge, it's gonna have a lot more in it, and then you're gonna have to knead it for a lot longer. My dog over here is trying to eat it. Look, Bosco right here is trying to eat it. Look. Oh my gosh. It's actually starting to get less sticky. I can feel it. Ah! Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. It's huge. I think this is really working.
You need to pick it up and turn it all the way over.
What?
You
No,
need to pick it up.
not yet. Okay, so it's getting more successful now. I had to pour a little bit more borax water in it, but it's still good. Because we just thought that was the best thing to do. Look at this. Look how big it is. That's a lot of slime. This is the biggest batch of slime I've ever made. Oh my gosh. And be sure to be subscribed because we're going to make an even bigger batch one day. A little sneak peek. So you'll know that in the future. This is like a preview of just how small this is compared to the bigger batch of slime we might be making. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's huge.
It keeps your dang slime off of Ghostbusters.
Oh my gosh. Wow. That is so cool. So, can I try washing my hands off? What? No? I poke this back in there. So guys, this is our giant slime we made today. So be sure to be subscribed if you want to see our next time we make a huge batch of slime, 10 times as big as this one. And also I'll be posting other slime videos like small fluffy slime, glitter slime, and all different kinds of slime. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye!